As of April 12th, 2026, U.S. aircraft losses are now approaching $3 billion. Not missiles, not ammunition, aircraft. Here's the breakdown. F-15 E-Strike Eagle, 4 destroyed, 3 due to friendly fire. E-3 Sentry AWACS, 1 destroyed. KC-135 Stratotanker, 3 destroyed, 6 damaged. MQ-9 Reaper drones, 24 destroyed. MC-130 J Commando 2, 2 destroyed on the ground. F-35 Lightning II, 1 damaged by enemy fire. A 10 Thunderbolt II, 1 destroyed, 1 unconfirmed. HEH-60 helicopters, 2 damaged. MH-6 Little Bird, 4 damaged or destroyed. CH-47 Chinook, 1 heavily damaged. C-130 Hercules, 1 damaged. MQ-4 Sea Triton, 1 lost. Total losses approaching $3 billion. Same war, just getting more expensive.